In the fast-paced world of the fastener industry, sourcing efficiency is essential for success. Introducing eSupplier, the game-changing platform designed specifically for the fastener industry. With eSupplier, you can revolutionize your fastener sourcing process and unlock a world of benefits. Streamline your sourcing journey online from RFQ to negotiation with our intuitive and centralized dashboard. Say goodbye to manual sourcing work and endless back-and-forth emails. Collaborate seamlessly with your suppliers using our integrated communication tools, ensuring clear and efficient communication at every step. Automate and simplify your sourcing process, eliminating errors and saving valuable time. Our platform provides ready-to-use RFQ and quote comparison templates, accelerating your decision-making and enhancing efficiency. Furthermore, eSupplier offers an exceptional freight sourcing tool that empowers you to secure competitive freight rates for sea, air, and road transportation. With this invaluable feature, you have the ability to optimize your logistics operations and reduce costs. Email us today for free trial.